Good morning, everybody. Saturday, we're over here at Animal Kingdom this morning. We do a little park day. And, it's, what is it? National, what is it? Earth Day. It's National Earth Day. Actually, National Earth Day is going to be Monday, but we're here a couple days early. We have some treats out, so we'll check out the treats. Some of the treats, see what they have, and see what we can get into. Oh, we got Kevin over here. She's out, walking around. Let's see if we can go see Kevin. Kevin's out. Dinoland's going to be going away. So let's see. Let's take a little stroll around Dinoland. I don't know how many rides or how much rides, if any, we're going to get in today because it seems to be a really busy day today. I think today we're just going to walk around the park, get some couple treats, maybe something to eat. We're also testing these new mics we got. See how they work out in the parks with all the background noise. See if you hear us better. So let us know down in the comments what you think of the audio. Of course, I won't know until we start editing this, but let us know. I think we're going to do Triceratops spin. Before the Triceratops spin goes away. Let's go get in line. Up, baby. This may be the last time on this run for us.
Until your Triceratops comes to a complete stop.
Check out some of the merchandise for Dinoland.
This piggy karate moves. It's Kaya. It's kind of cute.
That's kind of cute.
Look, you can get one of these plus on the bottom of it.
The food throat. Is that a wavy one? That's a wavy one. Look out.
I got it.
tea ceremony. One of the things here in Dinoland, if you're not familiar, they have the old carnival games. And I believe you got to get a play ticket card that allows you to play here. It comes with a little bit of an additional cost. I don't know exactly how much that is, but you know, the old carnival games, boardwalk games. It's another fun way to spend a little bit of time. And then over here, you have the old photo booths. Some of this in there right now. You have the old photo booths that you can go in and take a picture, get your photo strip here. This also works with your photo pass. So you can do photos, you can get them here, or if you use your photo pass, and get them on your photo pass. You want to get some photos? Alright, let's get some photos. Tight squeeze! Alright, here we are. You see it works with your photo pass. Pay down here. Photo pass. So we're going to scan. Photo pass. There we go.
Thanks for touching your Magic Band or card. Your photos will be available on the Photo Pass system, and you will have the opportunity to print your photos at the end of this session. One.
Just about 12. You want to just see if you can't find our first Earth Day treat? All right.
That's the energy, everybody. Give a hand for yourself. We are playing one more song, so everybody say over there. And let me see you dancing. All right, remember, all you have to do is follow Sammy. Here we go. What to do on a day like this? You're so sweet, I can listen. Now everybody sing. Ole, ole. Don't say it, yeah. Everybody, come on. What are you doing over there? You have something to say to that? All right. So our little thing is like beef.
First Earth Day treat is the bee honeycomb mousse. It's honey mousse on top of a cookie base, which is chocolate chip cookie and brownie, decorated sugar bees and white chocolate honeycombs.
Cut it in half. Give us the inside view.
Yeah.
De verdad te digo, quiero que
Yeah, nice brownie. There's a lot of honey cream on top of it.
It's a good brownie.
It's good brownie.
And the honey mousse is really light.
Is it? That is really good. Yeah. It's not nearly as sweet as I thought it was going to be. Which I like. It's a good.
I agree.
It's not overly sweet at all. It's really good. I like that. Did I get that one? This is cool. I've never really paid attention to this before, but looking at all the detail in
The
there.
artist is Victor Akpuk from Nigeria. I'm probably not butchering that, but he is an internationally renowned Nigerian-American artist based in Washington, D.C. And this mural is inspired by Disney and Melissa by the colors like gestures that Disney wild world sunshine without this tree. It's very cool.
It really is. Just never paid attention to it, really paid attention to it before. Just goes to show you, sometimes you just need to slow down and pay attention to some of those details. That's really cool.
Isabella.
The lion wasn't trying to hurt
Now, isn't this a site worth protecting out in wild places?
So I'm glad you guys have come along with us today for a little park day in Animal Kingdom. Today we enjoyed a little treat from Starbucks for the Earth Month. We enjoyed that, and we managed to get a ride in today, which didn't think we were going to do, being that this is a Run Disney weekend. It's a lot busier than what we anticipated. We both forgot that it was a Run Disney event weekend, so. But we're going to get ready to get out of here. It's a nice warm day, let's just say that. And until then, we'll see you on Main Street. Bye.